Hello and welcome to another edition of Quick Tips with Kim. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about privacy on the internet, and in this particular case, in the Venmo app. Venmo is a really great way to transfer money between people from your accounts, and I use it all the time. But it has kind of a social media feed that will actually like post all of your friends' financial doings, saying, like here, I paid Haley for some markers. My friend paid me for a sticker book. Somebody else went and got a pizza. All of this is all here. If you don't want this information out there, you can change it in your settings. And so in the lower right-hand corner, if you just tap on the icon that says me, and in the upper right-hand corner, you should get a little cog. And if you click on the cog, it says privacy. And so you can see right here, right at the moment, I already have mine set to private, but you can change it to friends or you can make it public. Public is the default. I just recently changed mine to private. And this is a choice. It doesn't hurt anything. I just feel like it's very intrusive and nobody really needs to see what's going on in my financial transactions, except for the ones that I just put up here on this YouTube for you. But anyway, thank you for tuning in. Drop us a comment, give us a like, subscribe, all of those great things, and we will see you next time. Thank you.